Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool Mickey Mouse telephone. This is an original Mickey Mouse telephone, and this is Jane's equipment from Florida. And this is the initial checkout of this really cool telephone. Now we've troubleshooted Mickey, and we know that the network is broken away from the base, and it will need to be repaired and resoldered. We also want to check all the connections at the network, make sure that they're proper and tight. We also found that the receiver capsule was broken, and someone tried to put the wires back on, and the spade connectors are missing. So we want to replace the spade connectors and replace the receiver capsule. We also want to troubleshoot the transmit, the handset cord, the hook switch, and the keypad. We want to make sure that everything is in working order. We will be troubleshooting the entire unit while it's in the shop. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll go ahead and take some still pictures of this really cool Mickey Mouse original telephone, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're ready to start our final checkout. All the issues were resolved. Now I also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this pickup in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And I have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. I'm going to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'll release it, press it one more time, and release it. So if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the telephone. Now what we want to do is use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call. So we'll start that. We'll let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. Now we want to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. We can go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, we're dialing out, we have transmit and receive. We can go ahead and press this button on the switch box. That'll give us a line out, totally take the analyzer out of the situation, and we can call a time and temp number. Go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we can make that call.
The time and temperature is coming up after this. To hear the time and temperature, just stay on the line. Today is Thursday, September 12th. The current time, 6:39 p.m. And the temperature, 88 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang up. We can call one other number. We'll call my number and it'll be busy. Give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this really cool original style Mickey Mouse telephone has been repaired, we can return them to Jane and she can enjoy this telephone once again. I'm sure Mickey's going to look great wherever he's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.